Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about network management standards. So we have different standards: OSI model, Internet model, telecommunication management network, then IEEE LAN WAN, then web-based management. So we'll see detail about the standards of network management. So OSI model, first model is OSI model. The OSI management protocol standard is developed from CMIP, that is Common Management Information Protocol. So we will see about the Common Management Information Service. What are the service provided in CMIS? It provides a way to share the management information. That is, it will provide to share the management information in Common Management Information Protocol environment. So it is sharing the management information. So if it is able to share the management information, we can able to monitor the tool. So three categories of service relevant to CIMS, that is association service, management notification service, and management operations service. The first services are association service. So CIMS user need to establish an application association to communicate. So it need an association to communicate with the monitoring tool. They rely on association control service element for association control application. So they rely on the element called association control service element. So to communicate with the tool, that is monitoring tool, we need a service called association service. It is provided by CMIS. Then management notification service. It is the service used to transport the management information. It is used to transport the management information applicable to the notification. Next, management operation service. It is used to carry the management information. It is used to carry the management information applicable to the system management operation. So first service is association service. Second service is management service. It is used to transport the management information. And the third service is management operation service. It is used to carry the management information to the applicable system. Okay. The main drawbacks, the two drawbacks of OSI management standards are it is complex. It is complex, and that are common management information protocol stack is layered. Next, memory of the ordinary desktop workstation was not sufficient because it will work in a desktop. So ordinary desktop. So the memory of if we run a multiple monitoring tool, then what will happen? So the memory will be insufficient. Memory of an ordinary desktop workstation was not sufficient to load a complete CMIP stack. So it is not enough to run the CMIP stack. Next, about next protocol is model is SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. It is stated an industrial standard. It is an industrial standard. Normally, we are industries are using SNMP. It has the standard specification of standard setting organization. So it has a organized setting for managing the network. Next, Internet Engineering Task Force. So it is responsible for all internet specification, including network management. It is easy to implement, and it is most widely implemented in network management system today. So this is the model has been implemented more in network management today. Next, about telecommunication management network. So it is actually it is designed for telecommunication network. Is concerned towards the need for a telecommunication service provider, and telecommunication management network is standard of International Telecommunication Union. So it is the standard of International Telecommunication Union. It is developed based on the CMIP CMIP and CMIS specification. It is developed based on OSI CMIP and CMIS specification. Next, web management, web-based management. It is based on web technology. A web server for a management system, web browser for network management station. So we need a web server and a management system and a web browser for managing the station. Next, two technologies are used: web-based enterprise management and Java management extension. Here we are used two technology. One is web-based enterprise management and the Java management extension. The Java, that is JMX, is based on a special subset of Java applets developed by Sun Microsystem. It is for a graphical oriented image.